Hey streamers, stuck with your Wi-Fi not working on your Roku Ultra LT 4K? Nothing's more frustrating than being in the middle of your favorite show and seeing that dreaded buffering circle or a network error. But don't hit that panic button yet. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Roku Ultra LT 4K so you can get back to enjoying your favorite content in high definition. Step 1. Check your network connection. First things first, let's ensure everything is good on your Wi-Fi network side. Router positioning. Make sure your router is placed centrally in your home to avoid dead spots. Wi-Fi signal strength. On your Roku, go to Settings, Network, check Connection. This will let you know if the Roku is getting a good signal from your router. Reboot your router. Turn off your router, wait for 15 seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple reset can often fix connectivity issues. Step 2. Ensure Roku is up to date. If your Roku's firmware isn't up to date, it could cause connectivity issues. Navigate to Settings. Go to Settings, System, System Update. Check for updates. Click on Check Now. If an update is available, allow Roku to update and restart. Step 3. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Re-establish a connection between your Roku and your Wi-Fi network. Forget your network. Go to Settings, Network, Set up Connection, Wireless, choose your network, and select Forget. Reconnect. Enter your Wi-Fi password to reconnect to your network. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Sometimes adjusting network settings can improve your connectivity. Switch Wi-Fi channel. If you suspect interference, log into your router settings via a web browser and try switching channels. Change DNS settings. Modify your DNS settings to Google Public DNS. Potentially improve connectivity. Step 5. Factory reset Roku. If all else fails, a full factory reset might be necessary. Be cautious. This will erase all your settings and data. Reset option. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Complete setup. Once reset is done, set up your Wi-Fi and everything from scratch. There you have it. You've just mastered the steps to troubleshoot and resolve Wi-Fi not working on Roku Ultra LT 4K. Whether it was a quick router reboot or tweaking your network settings, a speedy fix is always within reach. Now, dive back into the world of streaming without any interruption and enjoy the vivid 4K entertainment you love. Remember, technology can have hiccups, but with this guide, you're equipped to handle them like a pro. Feel free to share your success stories or tips and get your friends back online too. Happy streaming.